Peekaboo, I'm Baby, because we got an emergency programming about a demonic presence. I will tell for you. Before we continue with our emergency programming, we have some sad news to our young viewers. Please pay attention as this being broadcast for your safety. Make sure you are seated comfortably and follow any instructions provided in this message, or by your parents or guardians, as this is very important. For some time, you may have been told to play indoors by your parents or guardians to remain safe. This is due to a scary presence that wants to hurt you, and it's not very friendly. You may be confused, but you must follow any instruction given in the message, or by those who care for you. For now, remain seated and listen carefully to these instructions. If the curtains indoors are closed, you must keep them closed and not open them, or you may see something which may scare you or hurt you. You may hear a sound coming from inside. Do not look for it or respond. The closer it is, you may see that your siblings or even your parents may start to behave strangely. If you see this happening, do not even speak to them, as they are not the same. They are no longer the people you love. They are only echoes of their former selves. If this ever happens, please run to a safe place in your home and lock the door right away and stay there. While this is less likely to happen, you must be aware of what's happening around you all of the time, as those near you could change at any time, even when you least expect it. They could be anywhere, whether that is under your bed, in your wardrobe, or even behind you. While this is scary, you must not cry, as it will hear you. Instead, remain quiet and act as if it's not there. If you see that your behavior has changed even just by a bit, you must tell your parents straight away, as they are here to help. It makes you feel better throughout the situation. You may start to act like you are not yourself, but in the event of this happening, stay calm and try to fight any bad urges that make you feel as if a being has taken control of you. Regardless of how you feel, you are to fight back to ensure that you do not cause by any harm to anyone who cares about you so much. By giving in to any urges, you will be making your family very sad. Making your family sad only makes the situation worse and will cause you to feel more anxious or stressed. It's important that you regulate your feelings, as this will let you be safe and calm.